Have you ever wondered why your dream life feels so far away? It's not because you're not capable. It's because your brain is stuck in an outdated program, and today, we're rewriting it. Your mind is the most powerful tool you own. But it's also the one thing holding you back. If you keep telling yourself, I can't, or I'm not good enough, your brain believes it, But here's the truth. You have the power to rewrite those beliefs and align your mind with the life you want. Here's the formula, 1. Affirmation. Start every day by saying, I am worthy of success. These words will rewire your subconscious to see opportunities instead of obstacles, 2. Visualization. Spend 5 minutes imagining your dream life as if you're already living it, what it feels like, what you're doing, and who you've become, 3. Action. Take one small step each day toward your goals. Even the smallest actions tell your brain, we're serious about this, This process isn't magic, it's science. It's about teaching your brain to stop working against you and start working for you. Success starts in your mind. If you reprogram your thoughts, you'll reprogram your life. Your dream life isn't just possible, it's waiting for you. The only question is, will you take the first step today? Your brain is your key. Unlock your dream life.